Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ShipBob US Fulfillment, full guide step by step clearly. To register with ShipBob for US Fulfillment, start by visiting the ShipBob website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a page requesting your email address. Enter a valid email address that you will access frequently. Create a secure password that meets the site's security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Next, fill out the required information about your business. Provide the name of your business. Select the type of business entity you operate. This may include options like sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Enter your business address including city, state, and zip code. Fill in your phone number for contact purposes. Once all information is entered, review the terms and conditions. Make sure to read through them thoroughly before proceeding. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a verification email shortly after. Access your email and find the verification message from ShipBob. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. After verification, return to the ShipBob website to log in. Use your email and password to sign in to your new account. Once logged in, you will be prompted to set up your fulfillment preferences. Input your shipping details, including preferred shipping carriers. Set your fulfillment locations based on your business needs. You can select multiple locations if necessary. Next, connect your e-commerce platform or sales channels to ShipBob. Follow the prompts to integrate your online store easily. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.